How to recover deleted WhatsApp chat without backup. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about if we can recover deleted WhatsApp chat without backup or not. So let me remind you that recovering deleted WhatsApp chats without a backup is generally a very difficult and often impossible on both Android and iOS devices. While some third-party tools claims to offer this capability, so they are not always reliable and may come with risk like data privacy issues. So you can always go for the pre-existing chats backup, that is by simply heading over to the chat section of your settings and simply tap on this chat backup, and you can always go for your Google Drive for your chat backup. But if you don't have any sort of backup, then you can go or check for local backup by simply heading over to the files from your Android. And in most of the cases on your Android device, you need to head over to this internal storage or based on where you have installed your WhatsApp. And on Android, WhatsApp stores local backups in devices storage. You might be able to find a recent backup file and just restore from it, but this is not guaranteed again. So that is the only way you can do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.